Hello everyone, this is my CS50 final project and I created AI virtual assistant that make technology easy to use for everyone and make your work effortless. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's start our tutorial. Let's start. Okay.
Good afternoon. I am your virtual assistant, sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open CS50 class on YouTube.
These are videos on search topic.
Okay, great. And it's work. Let's give a result on YouTube. Let's try some other websites. Okay. Open Amazon website. And here you go. It's open Amazon website. Take a screenshot.
Got it.
Here you see it's take a screenshot according to our command and let's try some other things. Okay, what is Python? Explain in detail.
Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. The detailed answer is also saved in chat history.txt file.
Okay, great. So here you see it reads 1 and 2 sentences of starting, right, according to our condition, and the detailed answer saved in chat history file. Let's open chat history file. Open chat history file. Yeah, here you see it's saved our result in chat history file. Okay, let's ask some direct questions. Okay, what is Python?
Python is a widely used high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing.
Okay, great. So now I want to listen some music. Okay, open. Okay, wait. Open Spotify.
Opening Spotify.
Here you see it's loading automatically, and click the web play. Let's search some songs. Okay.
Spotify is opened. What would you like to listen?
Search song KK.
Search song is playing.
Great, it's worked well. And okay, let's play some
आँखों में
playlist.
तेरी अजब सी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
Search Buster in library.
Okay.
Buster in library.
Search
Bang.
playlist is playing.
It's worked very well. Okay. Let's like this song. Like this song.
Done.
Great. Next song. Close program.
Program is closing. Have a good day, master.